Emergencies can strike at any time, often when we least expect them. Natural disasters, power outages, or sudden medical issues often strike without warning. In critical moments, having the right tools and supplies can mean the difference between chaos and calm. An emergency kit is more than just a precaution. It is a lifeline that ensures you and your loved ones are equipped to handle unexpected situations with safety and confidence. Preparation not only helps you respond effectively, but also reduces the stress that comes with uncertainty. According to a 2021 Wells Fargo survey, most Americans are not physically or financially prepared for emergencies. A staggering 71% of people admitted they lack a detailed plan to face crises such as natural disasters or sudden power outages. This highlights the urgent need for greater awareness and preparation. Building an emergency kit is a practical step that helps bridge this gap, providing security in times of uncertainty. In this video, you will find a comprehensive guide to assembling an effective emergency kit. Each section explains the purpose of essential items, offering clear and actionable advice to ensure your kit is ready when you need it most. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Water supply. Water is the most essential item in any emergency kit. It is recommended to store at least 1 gallon per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. This amount covers drinking, cooking, and basic sanitation. Choose sealed, food-safe containers to ensure water stays fresh, and replace stored water every 6 months to maintain its quality. In emergencies where clean water may not be accessible, having a supply can prevent dehydration and keep everyone healthy. Number 2. Non-perishable food. Emergency food should be easy to prepare, require minimal cooking, and have a long shelf life. Canned goods, energy bars, and dried fruits are great options to include. Aim to store enough food for at least 3 days per person, and don't forget to pack a manual can opener for canned items. Keep food supplies in a cool, dry place to extend their shelf life. An adequate stock of non-perishable food ensures your family stays nourished during difficult times. Number 3. First aid kit. A first aid kit is vital for addressing minor injuries and preventing infections. It should include items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, adhesive tape, and over-the-counter pain relievers. For added preparedness, include personal medications and any medical supplies specific to your family's needs. Having a first aid manual in the kit can guide you through basic medical procedures. This kit is a cornerstone of any emergency plan and should be checked regularly to ensure all items are in usable condition. Number 4. Flashlight. A reliable flashlight is a must-have for staying safe and navigating during power outages or nighttime emergencies. Opt for LED flashlights as they are energy efficient and have a longer lifespan. Waterproof models are a smart choice to ensure they work in any weather conditions. Include extra batteries to keep your flashlight functional when you need it most. Keeping a dependable light source on hand can make dark and uncertain situations far more manageable. Number 5. Battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Staying informed is crucial during emergencies, especially when power or internet services are unavailable. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio can provide real-time updates on weather conditions and emergency instructions. Look for models with no-waya weather alerts for the most reliable information. Include spare batteries or ensure the hand-crank option is in good working order. This simple tool can keep you connected to critical news, helping you make informed decisions. Number 6. Extra batteries. Batteries are indispensable for powering essential items like flashlights, radios, and other electronic devices. Store a variety of sizes, such as AA and AAA, to match the needs of your kit's equipment. Keep batteries in their original packaging to prevent accidental discharge or short-circuiting. Regularly, check the expiration dates and replace old ones to ensure they work when required. A good stock of fresh batteries guarantees that your devices stay functional during emergencies. Number 7. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. A multi-tool is one of the most versatile items in an emergency kit. These compact tools can include knives, screwdrivers, can openers, and scissors, making them useful for a wide range of tasks. Choose a durable, stainless steel model that can withstand heavy use. It is small enough to carry but robust enough to handle various needs. Having a multi-tool available ensures you can address small repairs, prepare food, or handle unexpected challenges with ease. Number 8. Emergency blanket or sleeping bag. Staying warm is critical, especially in cold or wet conditions. Emergency blankets and sleeping bags are lightweight, compact, and designed to retain body heat effectively. These items are perfect for protecting against hypothermia or keeping comfortable during extended stays outdoors. Choose materials that are water-resistant and durable. Including thermal blankets or sleeping bags in your kit provides essential warmth and protection during harsh conditions. Number 9. Whistle. A whistle is a small but powerful tool for signaling for help when in danger or lost. Its sound can travel over long distances, making it more effective than shouting. Attach one to each family member's emergency kit to ensure everyone has a way to call for help. Look for whistles with a lanyard or keychain attachment for easy access. This simple item could be life-saving in situations where visibility is low or when immediate assistance is needed. Number 10. Local maps. Having physical maps of your area is invaluable in case GPS or online maps become unavailable. Mark key locations, such as emergency shelters, hospitals, and evacuation routes, on the maps ahead of time. Keep them in a waterproof container to ensure they remain usable in wet conditions. A good map can guide you to safety or help you locate essential resources. Including maps in your kit ensures you are prepared to find your way, even without digital tools. Number 11. Copies of important documents. Keeping copies of essential documents in your emergency kit can save time and prevent complications during critical situations. Include identification, medical records, insurance policies, and any other documents you may need to prove your identity or access important services. Store them in a waterproof and fireproof pouch to protect against damage. It is wise to have both physical copies and digital backups on a secure device. Being prepared with these documents can streamline processes during emergencies. Number 12. Cash. Cash is essential for situations where electronic payment systems may not work due to power outages or technical failures. Small bills and coins are particularly useful as they make it easier to pay for basic necessities. Avoid carrying large sums to reduce the risk of loss. Keep your cash in a secure, designated spot within your emergency kit. Having accessible cash ensures you can handle unexpected purchases without relying on credit or debit systems. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 13. Personal hygiene items. Maintaining cleanliness during emergencies is crucial for staying healthy and comfortable. Pack items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, hand sanitizer, and feminine products. Include items specific to individual needs, such as baby wipes or travel-sized deodorants. Compact and disposable options are ideal for conserving space. Prioritizing hygiene helps prevent illness and keeps everyone feeling refreshed during extended emergencies. Number 14. Prescription medications. For anyone who relies on prescription medications, it is critical to include a supply in the emergency kit. Aim to store at least a 7-day supply in a labeled container. Keep the medication in its original packaging to ensure clear instructions and expiration dates are visible. Regularly rotate your stock to maintain freshness and effectiveness. Having these medications ready ensures that health needs are met, even when access to pharmacies is disrupted. Number 15. Glasses or contact lenses. If you or a family member uses glasses or contact lenses, pack an extra pair in the emergency kit. Include a case, cleaning solution, and any other accessories needed for proper care. Protect glasses in a sturdy, shock-proof container to prevent damage. Being able to see clearly is essential for staying safe and performing tasks during emergencies. Ensuring these items are part of your kit helps avoid unnecessary complications. Number 16. Baby and pet supplies. If your family includes infants or pets, their needs should be addressed in your emergency kit. For babies, pack diapers, formula, bottles, and comfort items like a favorite blanket. For pets, include food, water, a leash, and waste disposal bags. Make sure all supplies are appropriate for at least 3 days. Tailoring your kit to include these essentials ensures the well-being of every family member, including the youngest and furriest. Number 17. Dust masks. Air quality can deteriorate quickly during natural disasters, fires, or industrial accidents. Dust masks are designed to filter out harmful particles and keep breathing safe. N95 masks are especially effective and provide better protection. Pack enough masks for each family member and store them in a clean, dry space. Including masks in your kit safeguards against respiratory issues caused by airborne debris or pollutants. Number 18. Plastic sheeting and duct tape. Plastic sheeting and duct tape are versatile materials for creating barriers against harmful elements. Use them to seal windows and doors or construct temporary shelters. Choose durable, heavy-duty options that can withstand harsh conditions. Pack instructions or practice using them ahead of time to ensure proper application. Having these materials ready allows you to protect your space and maintain safety during hazardous situations. Number 19. Waterproof matches or lighter. Fire starting tools are essential for cooking, warmth, or signaling during emergencies. Waterproof matches and lighters are small, portable, and reliable options to include. Store them in a waterproof container to ensure they remain functional. You may also pack fire starters for added convenience in wet or windy conditions. Ensuring you have the ability to create fire is vital for staying safe and comfortable in emergencies. Number 20. Rope or paracord. A sturdy rope or paracord is a practical addition to any emergency kit. It can be used for securing items, building shelters, or assisting in rescue efforts. Choose a length and strength appropriate for multiple uses, such as a 550 paracord. Store it neatly coiled or in a compact pouch to save space. This item adds flexibility to your kit, providing solutions for many unexpected needs. Number 21. Tools for repair and maintenance. Basic tools, such as wrenches, pliers, and zip ties, are indispensable for quick fixes during emergencies. They allow you to turn off utilities, secure loose items, or perform minor repairs to ensure safety. Opt for compact, multi-purpose tools to save space in your kit. Pack them in a durable pouch to keep them organized. Having the right tools on hand enables you to address common problems efficiently. Number 22. Comfort items. Emergencies can be stressful, especially for children or those with heightened anxiety. Including items like books, playing cards, or small toys can provide much-needed distraction and relief. Choose lightweight, durable items that don't take up much space. These items can help maintain a sense of normalcy during prolonged situations. Prioritizing mental well-being alongside physical needs makes emergencies more manageable for everyone. Number 23. Seasonal clothing. Appropriate clothing can make a significant difference in emergencies, especially during extreme weather. Include sturdy shoes, gloves, and weather-appropriate clothing for each family member. Pack lightweight rain gear or insulated layers based on the climate. Store items in a waterproof bag to keep them dry and ready to use. Having suitable clothing ensures comfort and protection in challenging conditions. Number 24. Emergency contact list. An up-to-date contact list can be invaluable when communication systems are down. Include phone numbers for family, friends, and emergency services, along with any relevant addresses. Write the information on laminated cards to protect against wear and tear. Store copies in both your emergency kit and on your person for easy access. This ensures you can reach out for help or stay connected with loved ones during emergencies. Be ready, stay safe. Preparation is the key to staying safe and secure during unexpected events. A well-stocked emergency kit gives you the tools and resources needed to face challenges confidently. Taking the time to assemble essential items can protect your family's well-being and provide peace of mind in uncertain times. Regularly reviewing and updating your kit ensures it remains ready when you need it most. Emergencies can be unpredictable, but being prepared helps you stay in control. Start building your kit today and take a vital step towards safety and resilience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.